Thank you for tuning in to another tips and tricks tutorial video from Freelancer School. Today we're just going to go over how to set up a automation workflow for your emails within Hubspot. Super simple. In my last video, we created all the emails, like the automated emails. So if you need to know how to do that, you can check that out. And we're just going to hop right in and let's see what we got. While I'm pulling this up, we do have a free book that we just released on how to become a freelancer, and if you're just starting off, things we wish we would have known before, and kind of how to get started. Again, maybe you have a lot of you have skills already, but there's still some good things in there that I feel like we missed starting off. As well as we have a free premium, or not free, we have a Slack premium channel that you can join, that I'll put in the link in the description. And basically you can just ask us marketing questions for a very, very, very cheap monthly price. So if you ever have questions beyond, like if you have questions, put them in the comments in this video if it's related to this exact topic, but a little easier way to get a hold of us quickly and on a daily basis. So with that being said, we have here our workflows. Again, you're not going to email or anything. You're going to go up top to HubSpot right here on this top tab, click automation, click workflows. To create a workflow, what you're going to do is go create workflow, and then you're going to go from scratch. If you want to look at the templates, you can. On the left over here, it's just letting you know what the contact property you want to base your trigger off of is going to be. I'm going to use a contact based trigger. All you have to do is click this little plus icon. It's going to give you tons of options over here of things that you can do depending on your HubSpot plan. Since we're just doing an email sequence, it's very simple. Most likely there's just going to be a delay. I really like the calendar delay because you can not only choose a date, but you can also choose a time. Make sure you click save. It does not work unless you click save. Say you wanted to put in an email, you're going to go send email right here as external communication. Choose the email. The automated ones will be available to choose from. And then you can break it down, so on and so forth. We're going to skip ahead here because that's very, very basic and simple. And not that this isn't basic and simple as well, but at least this has my email sequence, the workflow that I was just building. With the last email sequence kind of finished out, so you can see it's going day by day, like email 1, wait till the 11th, email 2, wait to the 12th, email 3, wait to the 13th, email 4, wait to the 14th, and so forth. So if you wanted to, if you duplicated an old workflow and you just wanted to switch out the emails or something, you could easily switch out the emails right here, and all you have to do is keep clicking save. And let's keep going down. So this is going to be the 15th, same thing. I'm just adjusting the dates, and it's pretty simple. So let's keep it up. There's only 2 emails left, and email 6 is we're going to use for our 6th email, obviously. And let's just tap it in, 16. And last one is going to be email 7. Alrighty, so we've got all of our emails in the sequence right here. And when you're choosing a trigger, you can choose when an event occurs, when somebody fills a form out on your website, or when filter criteria is met. I'm going to leave that up to you. It depends who you're trying to send this email to. You can create a list and do it through filter criteria. You can also do it through multiple forms, or just if it was as simple as somebody filling out one form on your website, you could choose the form on your website right here. They make it super simple. Let's scroll down to forms. So form interaction, form submission, form view. You could choose form interaction. You could choose the name of the form to include all the forms. So overall, not too hard at all. If you are still watching this video, please give this a like and subscribe if you like our content, if you like our channel. We are just starting out, but we have been a marketing agency for the last 10 years. And we're really just trying to provide value with our information, because we spent a decade filtering through all the BS of stuff that's out there, and things change too as well. Like technology just changes, and I think that there's a lot of people that show you how to like do a lot of good structure when it comes to um what's it called, like a lot of structure when it comes to like maybe starting the business or like niches or those things, which like our book does cover. But I think a lot of our videos are more like tutorial based and how to based for like exact solutions, because there's just never going to be the same tech stacks unless you force the tech stacks on your clients. And kudos to you if you do that. I'm attempt to do that, but it doesn't always work out all the time. So again, thanks for tuning in. We really appreciate it. And yeah, I'm trying to improve the setup. This is the first time around that we've done this, and we've got the new microphone. I'm getting some new lights, so hopefully over the next 2 months or so we can deliver this quality a little better for you. But we appreciate it. Have a great day.